talaga dito eh. మనం కూడా వెళ్ళి దిగేద్దాం.
Gusto ka bang sabihin at di mapakali na hindi makakong palipasin at subukan lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang dapat sa akin na tunay kong mamahalin. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo na naman ito. Pag-ibig ko handa, ibigay ko pagkalayaan mo.
Samruti jiwan niwaya.
Madam, may you rest in peace. No, just kidding only. Okay. Anybody from your group would like to sing or would like to request a song? Huh? We can sing a Muslim song. Yeah, we can also sing Muslim song. Yeah, from Adele. From Adele,
Yeah,
Muslim
Adele,
song.
Muslim
Yeah.
song.
Muslim song. You like Muslim song? Never mind, I'm fine. Assalamualaikum. You like that? You like? What? What song? You like? Dayang Dayang. Dayang Dayang, Ken? Ha? Ayaw niyo po? Doon po sa ano, lapitan mo yung si Madam, yung nagpa-birthday.
Si Shy.
Si Shy Girl. Si Shy Girl.
Si Shy Girl. Asan si Shy Girl?
Ayun.
Asan siya?
Nasa Kalawakan si Shider.
Si
Shy Girl.
Oh, Shy Girl. Hindi si Cider, ha? Si Shy Girl.
Ito nakasalamin.
Oh, yan
Ayan.
ang nakasalamin. Hindi.
Ayan. Daganan mo para hindi siya maging shy. Ayan.
Shy Girl. Anong pangalan niya?
Ha? Gimaras? Ano?
Lanzones, Gimaras.
Bimala, hindi niya. Ah, she's from Nepal.
Ah, okay. I'm so sorry.
Why?
Yeah,
Kaya
so
naman
sorry.
pala.
Because you know, Kabayan Night Market is a Filipino night market only for Filipino. What are you doing here? Because you know, we cannot speak English the whole night.
Yeah.
After that, we will die.
Yeah.
I know your nose is bleeding.
Ano daw?
Nosebleed daw.
Nosebleed din siya.
Oh, kami din.
English na ka, nosebleed pa. Kami nga itong hirap na hirap eh. Ay, may nagtataas ang kamay doon. Okay. Do you want to sing or do you want to request? Request a song. So who?
Someday.
Someday who? Someday who's...
To my friend.
Someday? Who's the singer?
Who's the singer? Artist?
Ewan,
I just know the...
ewan ko sa'yo.
Title.
Okay. Start someday. Someday.
Michael learns to laugh?
Oh, doon na tayo. Baka lumubog tayo lahat doon. Si Kuya, nagtataas yung nakaitim.
San yun? San?
Oh, yung
Si
parang
Kuya
miyembro ng
nakaitim.
kulto.
Asan?
Ayan o, si Kuya, ayan o, yung nakasombrero. Kuya, sila ano po meron dyan? Ay, kaibigan ata ni Ryan.
Ah!
Diyos ko kayo.
Si Sir Manny!
Kumakanta ba si Sir Manny?
Oo, baka naman Sir Manny.
सब मुश्किल से गिले थे भी ना थे बच्चे को मुश्किल गिले थे क्या या बेटा
Do you want hamster? Do you want to take it home? Or you want bird? Tell me. Do you want a hamster or you want a bird? You like a hamster? Look from far. Chalo now, Dada is calling. You want to go inside there? Ali, who's there?
أنا مشكل بلعبك
Nemo,